Yeah, guys, good morning. Good morning once again. The girl Marcia here again. Can somebody please tell me why is it that we're having snowstorm again? Why is it that we are having snowstorm again? Guys, your girl Marcia here again. Good morning. What's up? Look what is happening, guys. Snowstorm. We are having snowstorm again. Look what is happening. Look. Snowstorm again. And this snowstorm, it's today into tomorrow. So you can imagine. And look, so you can imagine tomorrow. Can you guys even imagine what is going to happen tomorrow when this storm pass over? Watch it. That's snowstorm, guys. Snowstorm. Look what is happening. Look at the steps. Look outside. You can't see the road. You can't see nothing at all. And it's in today, tomorrow. So you can imagine. Can you imagine that? What is happening? Imagine what is happening. Look, snowstorm. I'm actually at the front door. And look. Snowstorm, guys. That is what's happening. I'm tired. I love the snow, but I'm tired of the snow, man. There's so much snow for this year. We're having too much snow for this year. Too much snow for this year. This is what's going on. This is what really going on with the snowstorm. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Hey, a snowstorm again. Oh my God. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. It is crazy. Oh my world. Look at what is going on outside. So we are having snowstorm again. Girl.
Sorry, man. Okay, so this is my little brother, Henry. He joins us from Seattle PD, and he's our new detective. This is Sam.
Look outside. Look outside. That's snowstorm. Look, it's the first I'm seeing so much snow since I've been in America. It's the first I'm seeing so much snow. Look at snow. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my world. Look, guys. Look, what is going on? Look at that. Wow. Wow. And my neighbor over there trying to see if he can snuff up the snow. I don't know what he's doing now because the snow now stop for now. But look. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. My neighbor cleaning this driveway. Look at that. Wow. So while this snowstorm was going on, my daughter was in the kitchen cooking up a storm. So we are having some oxtail, rice and peas and a vegetable and some grape juice. This is what's happening in the snowstorm. So I'm gonna devour this. It's her first time cooking by herself, cooking oxtail and rice and peas, and she do very well. She do a good job, a great job, guys. She do a great job. So the storm outside, and I am going to eat up my dinner. Right on point, the oxtail tender, the rice and peas taste nice, the vegetable still off. So this is what going on, guys. So, oh Lord, this is what we wake up to this morning. Look, I barely can see the car, them the cars are covered. How much interest know this? About more interest know this, babes? About more interest know this? Oh my God. Look guys, it's no joke out here. This is the first time we ever see too much snow since we're in America. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh God. Look what it is. What's going on? Look at the snow reach. Right here. The snow reach right here. Be careful.
You okay?
You have to take your time. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Look at that, guys. Look. This is serious. Look. This is our driveway. This is our driveway, guys. You can't even see the driveway. Nowhere to go here. Nowhere.
You guys have another shovel? Because I can't get my car out of town.
Bez, how much more shovel you have?
Huh?
You have more shovel?
No.
Oh my word. Okay guys, this is what happening. Okay guys, this is what really happening out here, you know. Look, oh my God. Look at the snow. This is the driveway. This is our driveway. Look how far the snow is. Can you see what's it? Look how far the snow is. Look how much snow. It's no joke. That's your lady? That's your lady? Hey! Oh my God. Come here, Pio.
What a different gloves.
This is what's happening, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. This is the roughest snow I've ever seen since I've been here. Roughest snow.
I want to go outside. What? Then you think changing gloves is going to help it? You need to take a break. What? Where am I get it from? What? Okay, Anna, you need a break. Then take a break. These are my good gloves. They're Nike.
That's yeah. This is what really happening, guys. Oh my God. It's the first we get too much snow since I've been in America. First, too much snow since I've been here. Look at that, guys. Look what is happening. Oh my God, look at this. Oh God, and the snow still. Leave away now. The snowstorm now. Leave. This is the walkway. You can't even move. The door can't open. Look at that. The door can't open. Can't open. Oh my God, look at that, guys. And then we can find one next shovel. One next the high-end shovel. Make a look. Get one of these. We find the other high-end one. Look at this, guys. It's no joke, you know. Look how far the snow reaches me. Cover my boots, I reach me. at that. Look at the cars. You really can't see the cars them. On the driveway. Look at that. You barely can't see the cars them on the driveway. Look on the porch, guys. Look at the porch. Oh my God, this is the porch. Look, you can't see the cover of snow. Look here. The car. Literally, look here guys, look here. Look how far the snow reached me. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. This is how far the snow reached. Snow drop, this is how far the snow reached. Knee length. Knee length snow. Car cover. Car cover. And this is one at the back. I'll try to see if we can find one next shovel. This is the back, guys. I don't even know which far around here is to start. Search for another shovel, guys. Got everything covered. Everything covered. When I say everything covered, I mean everything covered. So the rake. On the lawnmower. You can't even see the lawnmower. Look guys. Oh my God. Everything around here covered. This is what the snowstorm do to us, guys. This is what the snowstorm do to us. I'm trying to find another shovel. But with the height of the snow, look at that. Okay, we find one shovel. Look at this. Look at the shed. This is the shed. Look, snow. It's no joke. No joke around here. No joke around here, guys. Look at the car. Look at your car. Can you see it? Look. As far as you can see, guys. Look at the cars. Right. That's all right. First, guys, may I witness the most snow. First, since I've been here, it's the first I've ever seen so much snow. Look at the driveway. Look at the driveway. What else have I done yet? What else have I finished yet?
It's not perfect, but alright.
Oh,
Aren't your
God.
hands freezing?
No.
Not you.
Oh. No little no little surveyor not do nothing.
Hey, aren't you getting frostbite on your hands?
No, I've been in much colder weather than this. I have gloves in my car if I need it.
I think you're crazy.
I've been in -degree weather.
Don't you have like work? 5 p.m.?
Yo, grab a little bit. You're an asshole.
What should I come out? Oh my God. this the people them there run from yesterday. Ooh. Man. Ah. Awa, are we rain or snow? Tonight? My God.
Before you clean off the car then and just turn on them at the same time.
What about to clean the road? I want to cleaning this, sir. Guys, you know when we are done clean up snow. And that may I say, God, this one clean up when I go back up.
Back up. And I
Let me move. Let me move, yeah. Guys, I know a normal situation out here. Look. Not a normal situation. Look here. But snow. Look at snow. It's not a normal situation. Try to take out the car out of the driveway. God, look there. Look. Look where the car was. Look at that. That's snow. That's snow. That was where one of the car was. Look at the pile that we got already. Look. Look at snow. That's the pile. And we don't start yet. Don't even start yet because snow. And we have to clean all of this. Everything has to come out of the driveway. So just stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Show me some love. Melta.
You have no big Annette big shovel.
Shovel?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
A bigger one.
You got one, you got one, I think. Yeah, more shovel, man. Cut in there, so it look like we had to do something. That side there.
But where is far?
Should
but
over, yeah,
to the
should over the
something.
top part first. Yeah. Ay.
No, no, no. What? What was that?
What come okay there? Fast.
Catch up with this, yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah guys, yeah, clean up my daughter car.
Hey, man. How you doing?
Everybody's out cleaning up them driveway right now. That is what's going on. Oh my god. So Williams, had to finish cleaning up. Look at that. Everybody out cleaning. Everybody out. Guys, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna think of them start numb up. So I'm gonna warm them up and then come back again. Just stay tuned, guys. You get everybody's out cleaning up them driveway right now. That is what's going on. That's what's going on right now. Oh my God. So Williams, have to clean cleaning up. Got that. Everybody out cleaning. Everybody out. Guys, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna think of them start numb up. So I'm gonna warm them up and then come back again. Just stay tuned, guys. Tina, you... Chrissy! Christina! Your father said start your car. That's when hard at work. Cleaning up the snow. Doing cleaning the snow. See that? How beautiful that look.
Take care of the papa.
I clean up. This is how far the driveway look. How far they look, how far we reach. We'll start. Nothing yet, look there. Look on the pile. Look at the pile of snow, guys. It's the first, them say, I think our 2021, them say was the last time, I think. Them say them see this amount of snow. Guys, it's not normal. We're out of store for a couple of hours now. Still at it. So just remember, guys, to like, share, comment. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Show me some love, guys, by liking the video, sharing and subscribing. Alright, your girl out here still at it. Cut this step. This is the first step. Can't find nowhere to go up there. Look at. Oh my God. Everything all on to freeze. Oh my God. Look at that. Ice cream. Who want ice cream? Ice cream, ice cream. I use the big shovel. You don't remember? Which truck? Tell me to go move it. Oh my God, guys. Guys, it's the first too much snow. Look at me. Look at me. The first, guys. Look at the stairs. Can't find nowhere to walk upstairs. But that is it, guys. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe. The girl Marcy out here do the right thing.